Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Swift VXI Bluetooth. First, make sure your car's ignition is on and the infotainment system is fully powered up. Next, grab your mobile device and confirm that its Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable mode. Then, navigate to the phone or Bluetooth menu on your Swift VXI's display screen. This initial setup takes just a few moments, preparing you for a seamless connection. Now let's pair your device. On your car's infotainment system, select the Add New Device or Pair Device option. Simultaneously, on your phone, look for your car's Bluetooth name, which is usually Swift VXI or something similar in the list of available devices. Once found, select it. A pairing code, often a 4-digit or 6-digit number, will appear on both screens. Confirm it to complete the connection. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some quick fixes. If the connection fails, try restarting both your mobile phone and the Swift VXI's infotainment system. Sometimes, simply deleting any previous pairings from both devices and starting fresh can resolve the problem. Also, ensure no other devices are currently connected to your car's Bluetooth. Finally, check your phone's Bluetooth settings for any power-saving modes that might interfere. To enhance your experience, remember to utilize voice commands for hands-free calling and media control, a fantastic safety feature. Keeping both your phone's operating system and the car's software updated can also ensure optimal performance and compatibility. If you lend your car, remember to disconnect your device for privacy. Enjoy the convenience and safety that a properly connected Swift VXI Bluetooth system brings to every journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.